Today I'm making a simple paddle boat. First, we'll need popsicle sticks, a glue gun, scissors, and the rubber band. Cut 6 popsicle sticks into half. Assemble the frame of the boat. Glue 4 half pieces and attach them at the bottom of the boat. Repeat on the other side. Glue the remaining pieces to the deck of the boat. Put rubber band at the end of the boat and glue it. Put half a stick at the middle and glue it. Put one on top and one at the bottom. My paddle boat is ready to sail. Just flip the paddle and it's ready to go.